What's up, guys? We're out here in Plaster City today for a ride-along day with Optima Batteries. We got a bunch of people. We're gonna go give them a little scare in the 6100. I'm pretty excited. It's my first time getting to share the truck, so should be a fun day. All right, so our first victim of the day today is Craig, or the Thecraig909 on YouTube.
Yes, sir.
He's got an awesome F100
yeah.
too,
Yep.
So I figured it was appropriate he'd come, get to show him what this Raptor will do. Right now, you see him, he smiles. See what he is at the end.
Yeah, this should be fun. I'm a little worried. I don't know. I haven't been something this big, so this should be fun.
All right, let's go.
I'd like to say that I've ridden it and I was expecting that, but everything I was like, oh, he's going really fast now, oh my gosh. But yeah, at every little bump I was just like, oh, this is gonna hurt, and it just flies right over it. It was actually really impressive, for sure. Definitely cool.
I'm super excited, but also really nervous because I've never done this before. I've never been in one before, so let's go.
Once it starts hurting your hip, you're good.
Insane, but it's such a fun time. I love that. That was so sick. It was so cool.
A lot of up and downs and up and downs.
Oh yeah, I mean it was a little like, but oh god, so fun. That's the best thing I've ever experienced.
There you go, here it is.
Impressed. I've been out here a lot. I used to grow up coming to the races out here and doing testing too, but the Mason Motorsports truck with Christopher behind the wheel, and it was really impressive.
It's crazy. The holes are a lot bigger than when you're probably out here.
It's deep, it's rough, but this thing eats it up, and our top speed was 95 miles an hour, which is incredible to me.
Through the rough. We hit 92 right here usually.
Yeah, we were airborne for sure.
It's an adrenaline rush.
I'm really digging it. Thanks for the ride.
No problem. It's fun to show people. It's fun. It's rough right now.
And he only speaks Spanish, so he kind of just does his own thing. I don't understand Spanish to yell at him, so he just wanders around. Vicente.
Sit.
I don't know you.
Oh, see? Oh, see, you know that. Training booth, right? I'm working on his training. It's kind of like, maybe you need to... Christopher!
Where am I?
Alright, stand next to him for a picture. He's not going to jump. You're going to hold him. Back on the leash.
Come on, Vicente, get in there. Are you happy? That's what happens when you run.
Ready? Let's get it, baby. Let's send it.
You! Victim number 4.
Done by 10 by a long shot.
I'm stoked I could be part of it.
Dude,
It's pretty cool. It's engineering like mind blow.
like we were saying, it's like there's a glitch in the matrix. It doesn't make sense what is going on out there. It does not make sense to me. Like hit sideways 80 miles an hour, everything, it just doesn't add up. But dude,
And here we're just all,
yeah, I look over at you and you're just like, at one point you're kind of just like one wheel in it for a second. I was like, dude, this is a machine and you're literally the man of men.
thank you. Part of the fun, you just gotta relax, be calm with her.
So what about that going on now?
Oh, this should be interesting. He's never ridden with me in a race car, so I'm not gonna scare him too bad,
I
but
feel like this is its own video and its own.
yeah, give him the
Driving
experience.
my dad in my trophy truck.
I think he's gonna have fun. It's cool. Like you just said, it's mind-blowing what these things can do. But I know he's gonna be a little tense because I'm driving him.
We won't talk about that. So, for his first time, we'll see how it comes out.
This guy could tell him where to turn.
It's a hard job.
Yeah, I think you're much better off with the computer telling you where to turn. Because there's no way that guy could be on it all the time.
It's not, the more you do it, the more casual.
Yeah, is he screaming?
I only heard like one yell.
My breath.
You hold your breath and clinch?
Yeah.
Every 15 seconds you hear.
Oh, it's like, whew.
I just lost about 5 pounds.
Is it as smooth as you thought?
It's like, no, it's more violent than I thought, man. We're going crazy.
Vicente.
It looks a lot smoother from outside, right?
Yeah, in race pace, it takes it up even a little more. Ugh. All right, we just wrapped up our day of ride-alongs. I don't know how many I gave. I think around like 15. Super fun. It's cool to see everyone's different reactions. Some people are just like dead in there. They just don't say a word, don't say anything. Other guys are fist pumping, high-fiving, just stoked out of their mind. I don't think we had no one backed out today. No one got scared really. I didn't hurt anyone. You know, sometimes we take some hard hits. You never know. But it was fun. Got to throw a huge thank you to Optima Batteries for allowing us to come out, bring out some influencers, and have some fun, and then even get to show my dad a little what these trucks can do. It's pretty incredible. It was smiles all day on me. It kind of blows your mind every lap. Even though I did 15 of them, that last one, it still blows my mind when you go down this main right here, and you're just like, I'm going 94 miles an hour through stuff like this big, and it's just doof, 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 and it just keeps doing its thing. So that's a wrap. Hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you next time.